Hi guys, welcome back to the Game of Trading channel. This is Bhargav. Now the time is at 9 a.m. Good morning. Hope all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you guys live trading buy how to buy shares in two segments like MIS and as well as CNC. Hope now the pre-market session is going on right now, so we can't buy in MIS. I will make a pause. After 15 the market is going to be release the shares for buying in MS orders. Here is the Sensex right now trading at 300 points plus, and the Nifty is trading at 80 points plus, 82 shuffling. In my previous videos, I have explained about what is buy and what are the options, different segments and buying options, what is CNC and what is MIS. If you still didn't watch, please go through my previous videos. Links are available in the description, and the market is quite adjusting for intraday trading right now. So this is so far the trades are bids and offers are so far going on. If you wanted to know that depth, try to any of the shares depth, try to tap the depth, and you can see the how the bidders are going on, bid is going on, and offer for the trade. DLF and as well as today's my calls are like DLF, ACC and Power Grid. Okay, guys, the pre-market has released some rates so far. Here are the rates. For PFC, it has been gone up till 1 rupee. Tata Chemical, it's going to be 4 rupees. And the ACC, it's 5 rupees plus. And HDFC Bank, 6.40 plus. So far, the market is, Sensex is moving green. And the Nifty also been green. So it's going to be a good day for buyers. Okay, guys, now the market has been opened. We can place any orders right now. My first order, I'm going with HDFC Bank today. Let's place an HDFC Bank share in MIS for options like MIS, like for intraday. Placing the order, like first of all, you have to keep an eye on more options and regular as well as day. I'm showing market. Okay, market in MIS, it's market price. I'm not placing any price right now. The quantity I'm placing is just one. Okay, let's go to the buy. Tap the buy. That's it, guys. You just go to and check that order. Yeah, here it's shown the HDFC share has been complete. Buy option is complete. You check the order it here. It has, I got it one share 1066.55, and I didn't even place any of the price right now. It's just automatically executed as a market price. Okay, same as well. I'm showing you guys how to exit the right now. Here you can just tap it, and if you want to exit right now, just place the exit. And if you want to place any, I'm just showing you guys for example of market price only. I'm exiting right now. Okay, let's see, sell. That's it. Now here it's gone. It's gone at, you guys can check at orders. Go to the orders. I bought it at 1066.55 paisa, and I sold at 1067.10 paisa. So you can see the position as my overall right now the first traded price at like 55 paisa profit. Okay, this is the last traded price. You can see in it here. Like now, let's go to the another share like in MIS limit type. I will place the order. Okay, let's check the depth first of all. I'll show the depth who has been buyers and sellers. Here are the buyer, and here you can find the offer people, those who are on the queue. 20 depth, up to 20 depth, you can see it on live. This is completely live, guys. So I am placing another order at limit of prices. I am predetermining the price at one share at, for the beginners I am showing this example. Don't you understand? One share at 1065. Okay. Now the current price of the HDFC Bank is trading at 1066.15. Okay. Now I am placing it. The order price is 1065 and the quantity is 1 and the limit of the share is limit means the price. I'm predetermining the price. Got it? Same as like more options, MIS, regular, and a day. Okay, let's place the buy of limit price. Buy. Once you place the order at here, you can check it order. Still, it's been open order. Okay, it's not executed. Once it's going to be executed, you can find it below the line. Like here, you can see the total ledger of the buy and sell options where you bought and with how many quantity you bought. You can find it out here in the ledger executed orders. Okay, let's wait for some time. It will be automatically executed. One more also I am going to place. Like ACC is moving. ACC means it's moving very good movement right now. So I'm planning to buy this one also. Okay, now I'm executing the same MIS order. MIS means intraday, only for intraday. Why? Because I will get leverage from the Kite Zerodha. So I am going with MIS. I'm just treating as a beginner way. I'm just giving you this hint because in my previous video I had added only 1000 rupees in my previous video. Here is the proof of the margin. Here is my opening balance. Here I'm showing you guys the opening balance of that my current equity fund is 1724. So I'm giving you guys for intraday. Okay. So let me place the ACC order at limit of 1428. So I'm placing the ACC at in MIS in limit order type in limit segment 1428 of ACC of one quantity and the price at 1428 buy. Okay, let's have a look in the order. So far here you can see, look at that MIS and quantity as well as last traded price. Exactly. Now let's have a look at that. Now the ACC also came into my pocket, one quantity in MIS product as well as the average price is 1428 and the last trading price is at 1429. So far this is a shuffle. Right now it's going to be high for beginner's sake. I'm just explaining this. Now I'm leaving this at exit at 1 for the limit of same as like MIS. For selling, use MIS limit and more options. Keep regular tab and day as well as your limit. Whatever the price you want to leave, you can leave it. Just quote this price, predetermined price. Now I'm placing 1430. Okay, let's have a look. All these are technical charts and as well as technical analysis and strategies which I'm following right now. These are candlesticks. I will show you in my further videos what are the candlesticks values and how it works and what are the strategies I usually work on for trading, day trading. And the Sensex is moving too high. Today is at 337 points, means it's very high. Since yesterday, the market has been dropped So very good movement today. At the same time, I'll show you the another segment of CNC. CNC means cash and carry. Let me buy the SBI share. Okay, take the quantity of 5 and as well as market, tap the market and regular as well as A. Okay, tap all these two every time because the segment is I'm doing this right now CNC cash and carry. Let me check whether the available price right, at market means you will be getting the order. Let's have a look at the order. See, the CNC order has been completed. So CNC order completed 199.20 right now. So let's go to the position and still here ACC is still trading at 1429. So it's not been exited because see I have placed the limit order at for the CNC for the MS for ACC at 1430. So it's still been pending because now the last traded price is at 1429.50 until unless it touches the high of like what I was exceeded price 1430, then automatically it's going to be sold. Okay, now the position I have taken is SBI CNC. Have a look guys. See the ACC order being already executed. So the price of the ACC 1430 is complete. Got it? In the type of limit or limit type. So the position of the ACC is giving me profit like 1 rupee 95 paisa. Got it? CNC SPIL is still in hand. So I'm planning to lose this at market price. Market price. I'm trying to sell. So this is for example. Take it as an example, guys. Don't leave every time as a law. Okay. This is an example I'm giving as a market selling how I bought in CNC SPI market in a regular order. Now I'm selling at a market price. Automatically it's going to be closed. See guys. Now the market price I have sold. If you want to check the order, let's go to the check the order list. Executed order. Here are the SPI CNC 5 quantity at 199.10 paisa. It's been complete. Same as right. You can check your CNC. Same. Similarly, you can buy it at a limit code. Okay, let's have a look at SPA depth. Depth means nothing but like a buyers and sellers. Okay, I'm quoting SPI at in the CNC order 5 shares with the limit of 199, 199, 199, and the say more options. Go to regular and day, select and place the buy. You just go to the orders and check. Here still orders are still pending. And as HDFC Bank in MS segment, SBA in the CNC segment. Got it. Both the banking sectors I have taken. Here is my live session. So HDFC moving very strongly. I have a tap. The depth of the HDFC is very high. So okay, let's make some demo trade like this. Okay, let me show one example in MAS. For an example, you guys have a doubt like heavy leverage you will get. Never. Let me place one vector like 100 shares of limit in HDFC. Let's see. See, rejected. Order got rejected. Why? Because you don't have a sufficient funds For the margin, you need require at least 10,736 rupees, but available margin is 1724. So the order automatically rejects. You no need to worry that you will get the order in a time. Okay, now let's go to the orders. Now you can modify if your predictions are very good as well. See, SBI is moving 200 plus means if I keep at the order at a 199.50, it will be a good margin of profit too. Now the HDFC Bank, you can modify the order at here with 1080. Okay, now live trading it is going at 1080. I'll always watch the strategies of the graph and technical indicators. Once it supports me, I'll place the order. Okay, guys, I'm placing this at 1079. 1079. See, here the order request has been sent. Okay, now let's have a look. 1079. Even though you can change the CNC type of SPA also 199.30 I'm placing. See, the order quoted type is changed. So now I was changed CNC as well as MS order price. You can change the quantity also if you want. See, let's have a change to quantity, modify. Here go to modify, place the 10 quantity also didn't change. Why? Because insufficient funds for it. In the CNC also you will get whenever you are trying to more than your funds you are placing the quantity, it will be automatically rejects the order. You don't get panic at that kind of situation. Okay guys, now HDFC it is moving to down 1079. Now once it's got reaches to the last traded price at 1079.15. Yes. Now the modified order has been placed into that position. Now check the position after placing the order. Here is the price. Now it's moving high, 79.80. Now I'm planning to release the HDFC at exit price. Select MIS. The order is MS. Okay, the product type is MS. So I'm placing the order at limit of like one quantity I have it. So I'm releasing it 179, 180. Let's place 180. For an example, I'm showing. So 180. Here, once it's traded at 180, it's automatically got sold. Now check the order, please. If that the order is completed, HDFC order is completed. See, have a look. Have a look at that HDFC. I have quoted it 1080. It's completed. The status is complete of one quantity. And here is the example of live right now. The profit is 3 plus rupees. I hope both the segments like in the buy, I hope in the buy I have completed with the market price as well as limit type in the CNC segment, market type, and as well as limit buy and sell prices. I have shared how to buy and sell. I have shared how to buy and sell in both the MIS and CNC. Before winding up this video, kindly watch, like, comment, and share as well as if you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe my channel and thank you.